Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I'm Catherine.
So we're back on track with our My Christmas, My Style collaboration. We are in week number 3. You can do a holiday table, and as I mentioned in the last video, you can also do a DIY. My Christmas theme is a combination of peacocks and botanicals. And I'm already in love with our 2 Christmas trees in the living room. Now, I seldom film at night, but unfortunately this time I did, so I was forced to use a flash on my camera. Now here's a glimpse of my tablescape. I am not done yet. I was really working out how to do the centerpiece, and I loved that I had these large picks. Well, here it is. I just love the place setting, so that's what I'm going to focus on in this video. Those beautiful plates, and I added the clear salad plate on top of it because I want you to be able to see the actual plate. So let me break down my place setting. The glass plates are from Walmart from a couple of years ago. You can also find those at the Dollar Tree. The peacock plates, they are from TJ Maxx. Purchased those a couple of years ago. The charger, that's from Hobby Lobby. You can also find the placemats at Hobby Lobby, but they also have those at party supplies stores like Posh Party Supply. The stemware, that is from the Dollar Tree, and the flatware is also from Posh Party Supplies. Now that mirror on the floor recently fell off the wall. It weighs about 15 pounds, and I caught it. I sprained my thumb. So select my centerpiece, bold and colorful, or simple and classy. These are vases that also are candle holders, and they're versatile, guys, so I can put the top on the bottom or flip the top over and put a candle in it, a floating candle, and just really have a nice conservative centerpiece. Now, I am generating a playlist for this week's collaboration entitled My Christmas, My Style, video number 3. And please click onto the hashtag, guys, so you can watch all of the videos or the playlist so you can see what's going on this week. If you are not a subscriber, please consider doing so today and turn on your notifications. That's pressing the bell so you don't miss a single video from my channel or any of the other channels that you're going to subscribe to. Thank you so much for stopping by. We've got 1 more week to go, and it may be 2 weeks because a lot of us have a lot to do. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.